How to make Instagram account private. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how can you make your Instagram account private. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile. And once you're on your Instagram profile, then tap on these three lines at the upper right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. And guys, I want to say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And once you are here, now scroll down a little bit and here you will get who can see your content. Tap on account privacy, and as you can see that private account, you have to enable this toggle. Then it says switch to private. Tap on here and we are done. And my Instagram account has become private. Now I'm going to show you. As you can see that my Instagram account is private right now, and that's how you can make your Instagram account fully private. I hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.